Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and I spent the day at the pool and the beach and I did some research and I found out about this project. Now I'm coming back straight from the gym and here we go. I want to show you this project, okay? So guys, here we go. It is called Wealth Mountain, okay? You can stake BUSD and USDC in a low risk environment and you can earn 365% to 1,825% APR. The good thing is you can unstake your initial anytime and compound for additional growth, okay? Right now, total locked value, we have about $2 million. And it works on Ethereum, Phantom, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche. I mean, I can show you the biggest investments are, you can choose it here, for example, Binance Smart Chain. I will show you. You can see the biggest chunk of the investment is on the Binance Smart Chain with $1,678,000. And then the second biggest chunk we have on Ethereum, then Avalanche, Polygon, and Phantom, guys. That's how it looks like. But as you can see, number one by far is Binance. So how does it work? It's actually pretty easy to understand. What I have to tell you is, I mean, it's not like you make a crazy amount of money, but yearly, I mean, it's much better than keeping it in your bank account or whatever. And you know, many of those projects, I mean, they offer an extremely high rewards, like, I don't know, 500,000% APY or so. But what happens, because of inflation, the price drops, and even if you have a lot of those tokens, the price drops, and yeah, that's not good. So you also have to keep in mind there should have some use case behind those projects. And these guys here, it's not just some auto rebasing, they also will do something that it stays sustainable. So it's backed by diversified investments, okay? So they will do with what they get, 25% they will invest in lending protocols, 25% in liquidity mining, 25% in new DeFi projects, and 25% for validator hosting. So this should give this entire project some use case and should keep it somehow sustainable. I mean, guys, you never know, but at least they did some brain work and research, and they came up with those 4 types of investments that they can make to keep this project alive for a long time. So let me show you guys. We will now go to the smart chain, Binance Smart Chain. Then it's actually pretty easy. Let's say you can invest a minimum 10 BUSD, and once you invest, there will be a staking fee of 10%. That means if you invest $100 there, you will have suddenly just 90, but that's because of the fee, okay? So I want to show you. Let's say we invest, what could we invest? Let's say $100, okay? Let's say $100. And let's say you keep it for 30 days now, okay? Your initial stake after fees will be 90 because of the 10% fee I just told you about. And after 30 days, you will have $54 rewards, okay? Daily earnings, $1.80. So I can also show you why is it like this. You see the total value, I mean, the locked value goes up. And I also want to show you, sorry guys, just a second. Why do we have here 2% daily earnings? Okay, it's actually easy like this. You type in here, for example, you have 100 BUSD stake, that's it, okay? So that's how it works. But I want to show you, it changes after some time, because from day 1 to day 10, you have 1% earnings and 10% fees for unstaking, From day 10 to 20, still 1% earnings, but then it gets interesting, day 20 to 40, 2%, day 40 to 50, 3%, and from day 50 on, 5%. So this should make this somehow attractive for people to keep their investment in this project. Because, why guys? Because of course you want to have more earnings than just 1% or whatever, okay? So this should make this project somehow sustainable. I mean, it's really a good idea, I would say. It incentivizes people to keep their investment longer there and don't unstake it. So guys, interesting project, I would say. So guys, if you, as always guys, no financial advice, always do your own research before you invest your own money in any of those projects. I'm just here to show you the opportunities. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.